Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I do my low-high roundhouse kick. So here we go. The first thing you want to do is to find your specific target. So you don't just want to throw your leg out into the thin air or throw your leg at your opponent and not know exactly where you're aiming for. So depending on what the rules are, what you can hit, and also depending on your flexibility level, you're going to aim different places. So some people need to aim knee, waist, because they might not be flexible enough to aim stomach, head, or something like that. Or you can aim knee, head, or whatever you want to do, but just make sure that you know exactly where you're aiming. So for this, on Bob, I'm gonna aim stomach, head. The second thing you want to work on is not dropping your knee between the two kicks. So you don't want to do your first kick and then drop your knee like this and try to get your kick up to the next level, because you're gonna have to pull your knee back up to be able to get your kick out. So you want to go here, keep your knee at the same level to go to your next target. The third thing is to not re-pivot between each kick. So once you do that initial pivot for the first kick, just keep your foot there. Don't try to pivot it back and then pivot it for the second kick. So once you do your first kick here, don't try to go back in and then go back out like that when you rechamber your foot. Just keep it all in one place. So pivot one time for both kicks. One more time, pivot one time for both kicks. The last thing is to rechamber between both kicks. You don't have to bring your chamber completely back to your butt like you would for just one kick, but make sure there is some sort of rechamber and it doesn't just look like you're flipping your foot 2 times. So make sure there's some kind of rechamber between the kicks. 1, 2, bring it back, 1, 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for new videos coming out every week. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. That link is in the description box down below. And then comment and let me know what types of videos you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.